Hey y'all, this was a quick little project we worked on here, this dock repair. We're moved over to Noriega Drive in Pensacola also. We've got a big boardwalk through the wetlands to build, a dock going out into the water, and a real large set of stairs going down the hillside. So y'all keep staying in tune. I'm going to do that with several different videos to get them posted because this job's probably going to be a few weeks over here. So I'll try to keep y'all updated on what we're doing. Thanks for watching the videos. If y'all hadn't subscribed to the channel yet, and if you like it, subscribe. We've got a lot of other neat projects coming up, and we'll go ahead and keep them posted. Thanks a lot. The bottom does? Okay. A lot?
Yeah.
How much? Okay, let's pull back up. Pull her back up. We'll start over. Look any better? More? Okay. Okay. Good? Yep, go ahead. Okay, I'm gonna come down, hold on to it. When I come down, it slides down, so you gotta hold on to it. You gotta hold on to the chain. Yeah, every time I go down, it slides down. Good? Okay. Got it. Can I go up? Is it really good?
Yeah.
Okay. Still good? Still good? Still good? Get back further. I don't think you can see it right on top of it. How's it look lined up? Okay. All right. How's that? Okay. That is a soft bottom there.
Actually, it almost looks like the bottom picked out.
How's it look now?
Came off the trim a little bit straight.
catch you going in.
That was hairy.
Yeah, it was. Several deck doors were brought out. We went ahead and pulled those up and replaced them as we were doing repairs on the dock. We ended up having to replace the front section of this dock. The irrigation sprays on it and keeps it wet all the time. Plus, I think the treatment at the time wasn't the proper treatment for the decking that was on here, so it rotted out in a few years. Not quite sure how old it is, but we went ahead and replaced all the framing, all the decking in this section right here. Here's a new addition to the dock over here. We just extended out this little walkway here, made a nice size platform. This is built with double bolts on the cross ties, single bolt and the stringers. And we do have our hurricane blocks on the stringers, tying our stringers down to our cross ties. And the hurricane block is just a 2x6 block that we screw into our stringer, and we screw it into the cross tie. You see it underneath the dock here. We do that instead of using hurricane clips. Hurricane clips just tend to pull out. Got the little S-curve out of this dock here. Brought a barge up there, pushed on the pilings a little bit, vibrated them over, straightened it back up. Looks good. Now we're ready to push on to our next job. Hey, we got this project wrapped up over here in about a day and a half. Actually, probably just about a day. Did the demo on it, set a new piling over there, and went ahead and put the new decking down, replaced some of the decking that was rotten also. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, if you would do so, I'd appreciate it. If you like what you see, we've got some really big projects coming up on some hillsides. I think we're going to have like, it's a 30-foot bluff we're running stairs down, and then we've got a dock going out through the wetland area and all that. It's going to look really nice. So if you would subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you got any comments, leave comments, and I'll try to get back with you.